IPL 2026 Qualifier 1 RCB vs GT. Let's start with RCB. RCB's biggest strength this season is their batting depth. Virat Kohli has played the perfect anchor role, not forcing shot, not panicking, just controlling the innings. And around him, RCB have batters who can destroy the power play in just a few overs. The biggest difference between old RCB and the 2026 RCB is middle order is finally contributing. They are no longer collapsing after losing 2 wickets, and their bowling has improved massively too, especially at the death. But still, RCB have weaknesses. Against quality spin in middle overs, their scoring rate sometimes drops badly. And if GT pick early wickets, the pressure suddenly shifts entirely onto Virat Kohli. Another issue, RCB are a very emotional side. One dropped catch, one bad over, one controversial umpiring call, and the momentum can completely swing away from them. Now let's talk about Gujarat Titans. GT's biggest strength is control. His teams almost never panics. Sai Sudarshan has been unbelievable this season. If he survives the power play, he usually takes the game deep. And GT's bowling attack is made for pressure games. They use slower balls, hard lengths, and smart field setups extremely well. That could be a huge problem for RCB's aggressive batting lineup. But GT also have weaknesses. If their top order collapses early, their middle order sometimes struggle to absorb pressure. They don't always have that explosive rescue player who can suddenly change the game. And another important factor, dew. If dew arrives in second innings, GT's bowlers could lose grip and control. Now it's prediction time. I think the toss will be extremely important. And my predicted winner is Gujarat Titans. Not because they are more talented, but because in pressure games, GT usually make fewer mistakes. And in qualifier 1 mistake can end everything. So if you want more such cricket content, follow and subscribe SimCrick Universe right now.